Welcome back, students. In the previous video we discussed about the involutory matrix और अब इस वीडियो में we will start nilpotent matrix. Okay, after this we will do permutation matrix. nilpotent matrix में क्या है देखो, nilpotent मैट्रिक्स. nilpotent मैट्रिक्स बेसिकली वो मैट्रिक्स होती है जिसकी a matrix A is said to be nilpotent matrix A is nilpotent matrix if A की power k is equal to 0 where order of A is n cross n. Okay, A का order n cross n है. Any matrix of order n cross n is said to be nilpotent matrix if A की power k is equal to 0 where k is greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to n. Okay, so it is the nilpotent matrix whose some power that you do and that power which is less than the order, less than or equal to the order of the matrix, that power will be 0. This is called index of matrix A. Index of matrix A. Okay, now what is the important thing about this nilpotent matrix? देखो 0 1 0 0. When you multiply with itself, it will be 0 1 0 0. You will get 0. So this matrix is non-zero matrix, but it is nilpotent matrix. Okay, A की power 2 is 0. Now what are the properties of nilpotent matrix? All eigenvalues in this type of matrix, all eigenvalues are 0. If eigenvalues are 0, then trace will be and determinant will be 0. Okay. Now next thing, all eigenvalues are 0. Characteristic polynomial of this will be x की power n. Characteristic polynomial will be x की power n. Okay, because eigenvalue is the 0 only, so x minus n 0 की power n. I can write it as x की power n. That's why x की power n only. Now minimal polynomial of this matrix will be x raised to the power that index. Okay, if index is equal to the order of the matrix, then both will be same, otherwise it will be less than that n. Okay, now next thing is nilpotent matrix is diagonalizable or not. If A is 0 matrix, then it is diagonalizable. Okay, but if A is non-zero matrix, then it is never diagonalizable. कभी भी diagonalizable नहीं होगी if it is non-zero. Alright, because all eigenvalues are 0 and it will be similar to 0 matrix. But 0 matrix किसी के भी सिमिलर नहीं होती, वो सिर्फ अपने होती है. तो ये 0 मैट्रिक्स की तरह होगा, बट मैट्रिक्स 0 नहीं होगी, क्योंकि अगर ये डायगोनलाइजेबल हुई ना तो उसकी सारी आइगन वैल्यूज आएंगी 0 एंड बाकी एलिमेंट तो हैं ही 0 ऑलरेडी. तो इन दैट केस दिस A विल बी इक्वल टू द 0 मैट्रिक्स, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस गिवन. For example, let us take the example of this matrix. A is 0 0 1 0. Diagonalizable means कि it is similar to a matrix whose diagonal elements are the eigenvalues of this matrix. तो इस मैट्रिक्स की आइगन वैल्यूज क्या होगी 0 0. इस मैट्रिक्स की आइगन वैल्यूज क्या है 0 0. तो डायगोनल पे तो 0 आ गया एंड डायगोनलाइजेबल होने की वजह से बाकी सारे एलिमेंट 0 होते ही हैं. Here A is the 0 matrix, but given तो A non-zero matrix था ना. Can it be possible कि 0 is equal to 1? No. That's why non-zero nilpotent matrix will never be diagonalizable. Okay.